Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix please insert a disk into USB drive. Try to open disk, pop-up displays please insert a disk into USB. Type disk management in Windows search bar. Click Create and format hard disk partitions. Select your drive. Right-click, click New Simple Volume. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Check Do not format this volume. Click Next. Click Finish. Close and exit disk management. Right-click, click Format. Click Start. Format completed. Click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.